Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I am discussing depth integral problem. By using Riemann integral, we find this problem. This type of problems very important for CSR NET, KSET and IIT JAM and many other entrance examinations. Now we have to solve this problem. They given L is equal to limit n tends to infinity 1 plus 1 by n square, 1 plus 2 square by n square and so on, 1 plus n square by n square whole 4 up 1 by n they given. Now take log on both side, take log on both side, we get log L is equal to limit n tends to infinity log of 1 plus 1 by n square, 1 plus 2 square by n square and so on, 1 plus n square by n square. After taking log, we know that by the logarithmic property, that is log of m power of n is equal to n into log of m. By using this property, this 1 by n comes down here, 1 by n comes down and we take like this, and log of L is equal to limit n tends to infinity 1 by n into log of, by using a logarithmic property, that is log of a b c and so on up to z is equal to log a plus log b plus log c and so on. By using this property, we written like this: log of 1 plus 1 by n square plus log of 1 plus 2 square by n square plus and so on, plus log of 1 plus n square by n square, by using logarithmic property. Then log of L is equal to limit n tends to infinity 1 by n. This written in the form of summation. This is equal to, where r is equal to 1 to n, here r varies from 1 to n, and log of 1 plus, here what is in place of 1 2 square up to n square, we written r square by n square. This is the in the summation form. Then we know that by the Riemann integral or in the depth integral, so sum of in summation integration of summation by using that thing written, summation is converted into integration. Summation is converted into integration, limit n tends to infinity 1 by n is converted into dx, and r by n is converted into x. Therefore log of 1 plus x square we written like this, and dx, and limits varies from 1 by this divided into 1 by n, take limit n tends to infinity and divide n, and limit n tends to infinity we get lower limit 0 and upper limit as 1 now. Then we integrate this function, we get like this now, 0 to 1 log of 1 plus x square dx, we get like this. Then we by using integration by parts, by using integration by parts, here log of L is equal to by using integration by parts, post function, that is log of 1 plus x square, and integration of second function x, and minus overall integration and differentiation of first function, that is 1 by log of 1 plus x square, and differentiation of first function, that is 1 by 1 plus x square, and differentiation of first function x and dx, we get like this. And the log of L is equal to x into log of 1 plus x square minus integration, here we take substitution, 1 plus in place of 1 plus x square we take substitution t, we get 2x dx is equal to dt, and x dx is equal to dt by 2. In place of x dx we take dt by 2, and this is written 1 by 1 plus x square, in place of 1 plus x square we take a t, and limits also change, here 0 to 1, in place of x we get here 1 lower limit, and here we get upper limit as 2, we get like this. Then we take integration again, we take integration. After getting like this, we integrate this, log of L is equal to x into log of 1 plus x square, and this limits are 0 to 1. This is limit 0 to 1, and minus integration of log 1 by t is log t into limits 1 to 2. This we get there log of L is equal to x into in place of x we replace 1 into log of 1 plus 1 2, and minus 0 we get lower limit as 0, we get like this, and minus we get log 2 minus log 1, we get like this, this equal to log 2 we get log 2 minus log 2, and minus into minus becomes plus, so log 1 value already 0, nothing to write again. Log 2 get cancelled, we get again 0. Here log L is equal to 0, L is equal to e power of 0, this is equal to 1, therefore L is value 1. This is the L value. This is the required answer for this question. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.